Wonder again, coming at you with another video. And I have an unboxing. This deck just came in the mail today. My sweet husband bought me a deck for Valentine's Day, and it just arrived today. So I'm going to be doing that unboxing for you. But before I do that, I did just want to say I'm super excited. I found a new age witchy pagan metaphysical shop that is near me that was amazing. I went there the other day and I got this bracelet. I think it's like Amazonite. I can't ever pronounce that word. Then I got these beads. It's amethyst and quartz. I've been wearing it to work because, you know, work. Then I got this huge piece of desert rose. Desert rose is like one of my favorite stones. And I saw it and I had to have it. Then I also got a patchouli lavender like room clearing spray. Smells amazing. Let's spray it. But let's get on with the unboxing, shall Let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, got a little bit in my mouth. So this deck is the White Sage Tarot. And there's a little sticker that says, "Together we can plant a tree." It says, "Take a deep breath and enjoy the fresh air. With this purchase, one tree will be planted by the Natural Forest Foundation." Oh, that's so cute! I didn't know that. Oh my gosh, that makes it even better. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that. Okay. So, oh, and then it does say White Sage Tarot again on the inside of the lid. And then here is the packaging. Look at that little otter with a teacup or a coffee cup, whatever it is. Okay, and the what I ordered or what I chose was I got their bundle, which was the tarot deck, a spread cloth, and a signed print. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And each deck does come, ooh, I got sprigs of sage falling everywhere. And each deck, she does wrap it with, that's okay. I'm going to be burning this anyway. She does wrap it with a little sprig of white sage. I'm super excited. And then there's more stuff down here. Oh, look at that. It's like a little owl. Oh, let's see what this is. Look, even the tape is pretty. Look at that. Okay, so what is this? This is a sticker. I got a sticker. Look at, that's so cute. Little otter with a little coffee cup. Oh, this is a little handwritten note. It says, "Hi, I hope this deck helps you to find clarity along the way. Peace and love, T." Oh, that's so cute. I'm probably going to keep that forever because it's so freaking cute. And then here is my signed print. That's so pretty. My friend Salt, one of her animals is owls. She'll love that. She'll be so jelly. Okay, so that's all that's in the box. So let's move that out of the way. Oh, I like that print. I can't wait. Where am I going to put this sticker? Look, he has a little flower on his head. Look at that. So cute. My little note. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let me try and get this little tie off of here. My goodness, I just like cut all the plastic and stuff off of the box as I knew it would take me forever, and now I'm taking forever on this. God dang it. Oh, that white sage smells amazing. I am a white sage girl. Alright. I'm just gonna burn you anyway. My gosh. Oh, sage is falling everywhere. But that's okay. Super excited about this spray cloth. And one thing that I did want to say is that I read about the spray cloths, and they said that they were dyed with like all organic like things, and they're like hand dyed. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's take this. Oh, and they wrapped it up so pretty. So pretty. And they did say on the website that if you wanted like cool colors like blues and things, you could specify, but I didn't specify because I just wanted to be surprised. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that. I love it. Love it. I'm probably gonna keep the deck probably wrapped up in this. Oh, it smells good too. As y'all know, I love to smell stuff. Very scent oriented. Okay. Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment. I just got off work. I've been at work for like 10 hours, so. But here is the front. And then on the back. And the creator is Theresa Hutch. And I did hear from another unboxing that I had watched that this deck is being picked up by US Games, I believe, in the fall. So if you do want this deck from the creator herself, now is the time to buy it from her. Alright, so let's get in it. And the box is a very like hard box, so I'll probably keep the cards in here, even though I did say I was probably gonna wrap them with that cloth. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so here's the little white book that comes with it, and looks like, okay, so the little, you have a little section here. It says, seeking a way to balance the hyper-masculine energy in our culture with a soft, strong, and feminine deck, White Sage Tarot was born. The White Sage plant is used in smudging, an ancient Native American method used to cleanse spaces and people. The intention of the White Sage Tarot is to help people find clarity and flow while navigating life's journey. White Sage Tarot is a modern, minimalist 78-card deck based in a classical model of tarot, illustrated by Theresa Hutch, the animals wearing clothing and crowns, creating a whimsical touch to both the court cards and the major arcana. Oh, it also said the deck is infused with the 7 chakras, colored ribbons as an additional way to read the deck. Oh, that's cool. Oh, and then she does list all of the chakras right here, and it looks like she has assigned chakras to each of the suits as well. So yeah, so then cups and swords have a chakra as well. Looks like maybe. Yay! All right, are y'all ready? Okay, so. Oh, and I did see too that they do not come in order. She intentionally doesn't put them in order. So. Ooh, okay. Okay. So this is the back. Ooh, get up that light. Okay. So let's see. Card. Ooh. I like that. Ooh, that's a pretty good card. Oh, yeah. Okay, so. And as you can see, they are not in order whatsoever. So we'll just go through here. Oh, wow. Oop. I'm a dropper, man. This is Judgment. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, the Star. Look at that bundle of white sage. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, the Devil. You do get a very Adam and Eve feel to that, of course. Oh, look at Temperance. And I do love, it's a very like watercolor-ish type of artwork. If you can see that, it is very watercolor-ish. This is Justice. I do like that. And I do like, oh my gosh, the Hermit. The Hermit. Look at this guy. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Does he have a little star or something on his chest? He's wearing a hoodie. Yeah, it's a very like, the cards, of course, don't have borders, but they do have that bottom part where they do give the title. That is the Emperor. Ooh. I do love the animals. I am an animal gal, so. Empress. Ooh, the Magician. Look at that one. I really like that. Little feather and just like an all-seeing eye. Oh, look at the fool. Look at him. Little puppy. With his little stick. Okay, so I'm not going to show all of the cards, but I will show a few. Let's see. Ooh. This one, Knight of Swords. That's interesting. Ooh, Ten of Swords. So this does, as I've seen in other unboxings, this does have a very like pippish feel to the minors, but they do give a little bit to it, right? Like this Ten of Swords, you can see it's actually cutting into and the ribbon, right? So, and they're all jumbled and they're cutting the ribbon. So you do get little things like that. But I have seen, oh, look at this one, Five of Swords. And you do get conflict and things like that from Five of Swords because you see the ribbon is all chopped up into pieces. Ooh, Two of Swords. Look at that. The Two of Swords is one of my favorite cards in the deck. Look at that. That's so good. And we all know what card I really... Oh, look! It's the Otter from Marsdegger. Page of Cups. Look at it. Look at that otter. That's so good. Let's see what else. Ooh, okay. 10 of Wands. I like that. So, I have a question. 8 of Wands. Does anyone else, I don't, so, but the traditional, like, the meanings and meaning for the 8 of Wands is very, you know, like, movement, moving forward, you know, whatever. I have always gotten the feeling of being blocked or stuck. Like you're, you know, because that looks like a fence, you know, that's just like blocking you in. And I've always thought that. And it was such the opposite of what the like book meaning or what, you know, but the meanings in the Little White Book was, that it always bothered me. But I just go with it. Let's see what else. Oh, the lovers. Oh, seahorses. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, the sun. That's really good. The moon. I do like it. It does have a very like Egyptian feel to it. I do like that. Oh, I love the watercolor. Look at that moon. Oh, I love it. It almost looks like maybe an eclipse, you know, is happening or something like that. I like it. Ooh. Death. I like it. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. Again, with the Egyptian-y feel to it. Oh, the Hierophant. Look at that. Look how freaking cute that is. Sleeping deer, and there's a big old key. That's really all you need, right? Let's see. Ooh, 7 of Pentacles. The pentacles look to be like they're sand dollars. So that's pretty cool. Queen of Swords. You know I love my Queen of Swords from my Morgan. Look at that. Yes. Super cool. Ooh, 6 of Swords. If you notice, they're all, the hilt is towards the ribbon. So they're all like moving away from that purple ribbon. Look at this King of Cups with his little latte. It kills me. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Okay. Oop, 4 of Wands. That's pretty. Ooh, the Chariot. I like that. I really like this because you don't see the rider of the chariot. You just see the horses and the wheel, and you can just feel the like momentum. So it's not so much you moving forward, it's your actual momentum itself that is highlighted with this card. So it's focusing on what it is that may be moving you forward or pushing you instead of focusing on you using it. Oh yeah, I like that. All right, guys. So that was the White Sage Tarot. If you want this deck, you can go to whitesagetarot.com and order it from Theresa Hutch. And like I said, it is going to be picked up by US Games in the fall. So yeah, if you want to give credit where credit is due, because she created a phenomenal deck here. Yeah, then go check her out. She does have other things for sale on her site as well. Like, she does have like postcards and other prints that you can buy and stickers and things like that. So, thank you all for watching, and I cannot wait to jump into this deck because, so one of my like rituals whenever I get a new tarot deck is that I don't shuffle it out of order until I feel it is, you know, right to do so. Well, this is already out of order, so that part of my ritual I'm not going to have to do this time, so I can just go ahead and shuffle because they're already out of order. But yeah, I hope you all liked this video. Let me know. Again, it is the White Sage Tarot. Much love, blessings and growth, and I will see you next time. Bye.